Welcome to 𝗧𝗲𝗅 Technology, where innovation meets quality. As a trusted name in the automation and motion control industry, we pride ourselves on delivering reliable, high-quality products that keep industries running smoothly. From sourcing to delivery, we ensure every component meets the highest standards. With extensive experience and deep industry knowledge, 𝗧𝗲𝗅 Technology not only supplies products, but also offers tailored solutions that drive efficiency and growth. Our global reach and commitment to quality have made us one of the largest importers in the field. Product showcase: CNC controllers, Aero Motion Servo AC drives and servo transformer, Aero Motion stepper motor and drive, all type of spindle motor, drag chain and flexible cable, liner motion part, Flexem Automation part, Tornex planetary gearbox. Thank you for choosing 𝗧𝗲𝗅 Technology. Let's build a future of success together. Contact us today to learn more about our products and solutions.